Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Android Studio updated, SDKs installed, and Google account signed in. Next, create or open your Android project and verify the application ID matches what you want in Firebase. Once done, open the Firebase console and choose Add Project. Make sure to enable analytics only if needed. You're now ready to register your Android app inside Firebase. Keep your package name exact, because this links your app to the backend. You register the Android app in the Firebase project by entering the exact package name. This creates the Google services JSON file. Download that file and drop it into your module-level app/ folder. Make sure it's not renamed. Next, open project level and app level build. Gradle files, add the Google Services class path, apply the Google Services plugin, and add Firebase BOM with the database dependency. Once finished, sync Gradle to pull the libraries into your project. You initialize Firebase in your application subclass or main activity by calling Firebase Database. Get instance and obtaining a database reference. Then write a simple test value and attach a value event listener to read it back. This confirms connectivity and rules are permitting access. Once you see data in the console and your log, migrate real data paths. If something goes wrong, check that Google Services JSON is correct, the package name matches, Gradle sync succeeded, and your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.